सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। अद्य कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 90-तमी 390th क्लास, यत्र वयं संक्षेप रामायणं पठन्तः अग्रे सरामः। एतावत्पर्यन्तं कति श्लोकाः श्रीनिवास? 54 श्लोकाः। 54तमश्लोकस्य अर्धभागः एव पठितः पूर्वकक्षायां, गतकक्षायां। न अच्छा, ओके ओके। सो जानामि 50 श्लोकाः एतावत्पर्यन्तं पठिताः। अत्र सार्धैकश्लोक वर्तते। श्लोकौ पठितौ, परन्तु तत्र पदच्छेदः अपि पठितः, पदपरिचयः न पठितः गतकक्षायां मन्ये। अन्यान् अंशान् कुर्मः इदानीम्। अनन्तरं 34 अभ्यासः अनुवर्तते, फॉलोस्। ओके, वी गो ऑन टू दी पदच्छेद इज डन। पदपरिचय आई थिंक श्रीनिवास। ततः तेन एव शोकेन गृध्रं दुग्ध्वा जटायुषं द्वितीय मार्गमाणः वने, वेरी सिंपल। सीतां राक्षसं समदर्श समदृश उपसर्ग लिट् प्रथम पुरुषे ह कबंधम नाम रूपेण विकृतं घोर रूपम। क्षम्यतां, घोर दर्शनमिति। सो अयं पदपरिचयः अस्ति। पदपरिचये कानिचन अव्ययपदानि, कानिचन एकमेव समस्तपदमस्ति, मन्ये एकमेव अस्ति। अव्ययपदानि तु 1 2 3 4 5 सन्ति। इदानीम् आकाङ्क्षां पश्यामः। राघवः समददर्श, समददर्श नाम स। राघवः रामः समददर्श सा। राघवः कीदृशः रामः? ओह, कीदृशः राघवः अथवा तेनैव पठतु। Yes, what type of Rama was he? With that sorrow, united with that sorrow. What that sorrow? Sorrow of separation of Sita. सीतायाः वियोग शोकेन युक्तः रामः इति। तेन नाम, तेन शोकेन, केन शोकेन? सीतायाः वियोग शोकेन। वियोगात् जनितः यः शोकः वर्तते, तेन शोकेन इति। पुनः कीदृशः? अगेन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ राम? Raghava, Rama, who was searching for Sita in the forest. Such Rama. Kam dadarsha, whom did he see? He saw a Rakshasa, demon by name Kabandha. Kidrusham Kabandham, what type of Kabandha he saw? Ghora, horrible form. Ghora Darsham is very horrible to look at. That Kabandha of horrible form. Punaha Kidrusham Kabandham, again what type of Kabandha did he see? Yes, Rupena in form, in physical form. Vikrutam, Vikrutam is deformed, defaced. was not very good to look at as such. So having terrible look and also defaced or deformed body, Krutam Rupam. Kim Krutva Kabandam Dadarsha? Doing what? Thinking what he saw, Kabanda Gurudram. Doing what he saw, after doing what Rama saw the Rakshasa, means after Grudram Jatayusham Dagdva, having burnt, cremated the vulture called Jatayusha, Rama saw the Kabandha. Iti Akanksha Samapta Anvayartha. Burnt. Daha dhatu. Dahati dahataha dahanti Dagdva. Anvayartham patu.
ततः तेन एव शोकेन युक्तः राघवः गृध्रं जटायुषं दग्ध्वा वने सीतां मार्गमाणः रूपेण विकृतं घोरदर्शनं कबन्धं नाम राक्षसं सन्ददर्शः
इति ततः thereafter तेन एव शोकेन इतः पूर्वम् उक्तं मया तेन एव शोकेन सीतावियोग जनितेन शोकेन युक्तः संयुतः राघवः रामः गृध्रं पक्षिं जटायुषं दग्ध्वा जटायुषः अन्त्यक्रियां कृत्वा वने सीतां मार्गमाणः सीतां वने तत्र अन्वेषमाणः रूपेण विकृतं घोरदर्शनं घोररूपं कबन्धं नाम एकं राक्षसं संददर्श अपश्यत् इति. इदानीं पदार्थं पश्यामः. ततः तदनन्तरं तेन एव शोकेन, in that, with that, rather with that sorrow, sadness itself, grief, Raghavah Ramah Grudram Dakshayam, that is another name for Dakshaya. Gidda, Pakshi, no, Pakshi, Grudra, Pakshi, the vulture. Jatayusham, name, this is name. Grudra is the bird. So Daksha is also bird. Namanam, by name Jatayush. Dagdva. Dagdva means Agnaye Samarpya. Agnau Jwalayitva. Agnau Jwalayitva. So Samdaihya, Agnau Samdaihya. Then Vane, Vipine, Aranye, Sitam, Maithilim, Margamanaha, Anvishyan, Ghora Darshanam, Bhaya Utpadakam, Rupena Vikrutam, Vikruti Sampannam, Akarena Vikruti Sampannam, Vikruti Apannam, Kabandham Nama, Rakshasam, Danavam, Asuram, Asuram, Samdadarsha, Alokitavan, Apashyat, Dadarsha, etc. Ha Prasiddhau, Prasiddhartakam, Avyayam. So says the tradition. Okay. Bhavartam Pata.
तदनन्तरं सीतायाः अपहरण जनितेन वृत्तेन शोकाकुलः श्रीरामः जटायुषः मृतशरीरम् अग्नौ समर्प्य वने सीताम् अन्विष्यन् भयङ्करं रूपेण विकृतं च कबन्धनामकं राक्षसं दृष्टवान्.
तदनन्तरं नाम जानीमः. सीतायाः अपहरण वियोगजनितेन उत्पन्नेन वृत्तेन शोकेन आकुलः शोकाक्रान्तः दुःखाक्रान्तः श्रीरामः जटायुषः पक्षिणः मृतशरीरम् अग्नौ समर्प्य क्षिप्त्वा वने सीताम अन्विष्यन् भयंकरम रूपेण विकृतं च कबंधनामकं राक्षसं दृष्टवान्. Same meaning. So after that Sita's aparana janitena vrittena, with the incident after the separation from Sita, whatever shoka was born, with that Rama was very much touched. Jeta, after having burnt the body of that Jatayu in the fire, so while searching Sita in the forest, he came across a terrible formed, defaced, very Rakshasa by name Kabandaka. He happened to see that. That is it. Okay, English is okay, I think. Nidarshanam idanim. Vyakaranamshaha prathamaha sadhi. Visarga sandhi, very simple. Tenaiva, tena plus eva, vruddhi sandhi. Margamano vane, margamanaha vane. Ayamapi visarga sandhi. Ka samasa eka eva. Ghoram darshanam yasya saha. So Ghora Darshanam, the one whose sight was terrible, the one who had a terrible sight, terrible looking, Krudantaha Chatvar. Daha plus Tva. You asked, na? The Dva, same. Margamanaha, Marga iti dhatu, Shanach Pratyanta. Adrushadva iti vikalpat. Nija bhavaha. So there is one sutra quoted here. Nich pakshe, this is without causal. This is nija bhavaha. Nijasya abha, nija bhava, nija bhava. Adrushatva iti vikalpa. There is one sutra saying, there is alternatively, you can have this. If you take the causal nich, then pakshe, margayamanaha. Margamana becomes margayamanaha. If it is used with a nich, that so-called causal pratyaya, that is what. Vikrutam plus kru dhatu ktanta. Ghora darshanam, ghora iti. It is not visarga. It is a shabda. Ghora plus drushya iti dhatuhu. Formation is that. Ghora darshanam na. Ghora is a word. So word akaranta, it can be any adjective you can take. Darshanam is derived from the dhatu drushya by adding the suffix lyut, darshanam. From drushya you get darshanam. Ghora and darshana both are joined. Ghora darshanam. Ghora is not a dhatu. Ghora is not a upasarga here.
Is it adjective?
It can be adjective. Yes, it is adjective. Ghora, darshanam, ghora. Adjective only. That is joined with another. This drushya derived into with the lyut, added with the lyut, darshanam. Gam, lyut, gamanam. Lik, lekhanam. Vadanam. Patanam. Anam. So that lyut formation. Neuter nouns are formed by this suffix lyut. Like in English we call it gerund, going, coming, writing, seeing, sitting, asanam, asanam. Okay, only this one. Now we go to abhyasa. Chaturtrimshaha abhyasa. Uttaram likata. What is he wanting to do? Write the answer. Tenaiva shoker. Sorry, ityasmat kena shokena iti bodha bhavati. So, tenaiva shokena, what is the understanding that you get, he asking. So, you have to write kena shokena iti bodha bhavati. By what shoka, by what grief is the understanding, your understanding. So, you have to write tenaiva shokena iti asmat sitapaharana shokena. Sitapaharana janita shokena. There is one, yeah, here it is used, janitena. In Bhavartha it is given. See, apaharana janitena. If you look to Bhavartha.
Yes.
Apaharana janita janitena shokena. Janita shokena you can see. Sita apaharana janita shokena. Tenaiva shokena iti अस्मात् का कीदृशः बोधः भवति? सीतापहरणजनितशोकेन इति बोधः भवति. This you have to write, I think. सीतापहरणजनितशोकेन. Okay. जटायुषं कः दग्धवान्? Who burnt the bird Jatayush? कः replace कः? जटायुषं रामः दग्धवान्. Rama burnt the Jatayusha. कः रूपेण विकृतः आसीत्? Who was deformed by physically deformed? कबन्धः राक्षसः. नाम राक्षसः. कबन्धः और सिंपली से कबन्धः रूपेण विकृतः आसीत्. कबन्धः रूपेण विकृतः आसीत्. काम मार्गमाणः रामः राक्षसं ददर्श. सर्चिंग whom did Rama see the Rakshasa? Just to replace kam, Sitam margamanah Ramah kabandham dadarsha. Only kam replaced by Sitam. Ramah kam kidrusham cha rakshasam dadarsha. Rama, what type of Rakshasa come? Whom and what type of Rakshasa did Rama see? Whom and what type of Rakshasa did Rama see? So Rama kabandam vikrutam bhayankaram. Rama kabandhanamakam bhayankaram vikrutam rakshasam dadarsha. So only one is, shall we write? First one repeat. Simple, na? Sita apaharana is there. We are making it in compound. Sita apaharana janitena shokena. The last one is Rama kabandam namakam namanam vikrutam bhayankaram vikrutam rakshasam dadarsha. Two amshaha dvitiya amsha. Shloke mukhyam kriyapadam kim asti? Tasya parichayam ligata. Oh, exercises are increasing here. For example, mukhya kriyapada. What is the mukhya kriyapada here? You find, Srinivas? The main verb. Samdadarsha. That's all, only that. So how do you account for this? How do you कीदृशं विवरणं दातुम् इच्छति भवान्? समददर्श is equal to sam upasarga drush dhatuhu lit kartari lit prathama purusha ekavachana. That is what, na? Here it is. Where it is given? Not given anywhere?
It's there. Padartha. No, Padartha is
not in Padartha.
No, in Padaparichaya.
In Padaparichaya only it should be there. Yeah, it is there.
Yeah. Sam upasarga drush kartari lit prathama purusha ekavachana.
Sam upasarga drush dhatuhu kartari lit prathama purusha ekavachana. That is what he write here. So please answer for this is on page 188. Under the Pada Parichaya, Samdadarsha Padam Visleshana is given there. So you are supposed to write the same Visleshana here. Understand? If you want the other two derivatives here, Samdadarsha, Samdadrushatuhu, Samdadrushatuhu, Samdadrushuhu. Dadarsha, Dadrushatuhu, Dadrushuhu, Dadrushuhu. This is Prathama Purusha full line. Sam Dadarsha, Sam Dadrushatuhu, Sam Dadrushuhu, Dadrushuhu. Bahuvachana, Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana. Prathama Purusha Madhyama Purusha Vivachanam, Sam Dadrushatuhu, Dadrushatuhu. Ekavachanam Prathama Purusha Sam Dadarsha iti. So etani rupani Prathama Purusha ekavachane dvivachane bahuvachane bhavanti. Okay. Tritiya amshaha Shabda rupam purayata. Okay, you derive. That means derive the whatever vibhakti is given, you derive. Rakshasam is derived for you, Rakshasau, Raksha, San. This is Rakshasam is Dvitiya. Therefore, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana is given. Similarly, Sitam is Dvitiya, Ekavachana. Do it. Sitam, this is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda Srinivas. Sitam.
Sitam, Site.
Site, Bahuvachana? Sita, very good. Sitam, Site, Sita. What is Prathama? Sita, Site, Sita. Dvitiya, Sitam, Site, Sita. Tritiya, Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. If you know Kanya Shabda, you know this. Rama or Kanya should be your model noun. Okay, Vane. This could be, generally we should take it as Ekavachana. Here it is giving, because two forms you have to be. Because otherwise it appears in Prathama Dvivachana, Dvitiya Dvivachana. Vanam Vane Vanani, Vanam Vane Vanani. That is not the intention of the book. It is Saptami Ekavachana. Vane Vanayoho Vaneshu Vaneshu. Vane Vanayoho Vaneshu. Iti Saptami Saptamyaha Ekavachane Vane Dvivachane Vanayoho Bahuvachane Vaneshu iti Rupani Bhavanti. Grudram Dvitiyantam. Grudra Shabda. Grudram Grudrau Grudran. Devam Devo Devanuvat. Grudram Grudrau Grudran. This is just like Deva Shabda, derive it, Rama Shabda. Tena. This is the Tad pronoun. Dakaranta Trutiyanta Ekavachanam. Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Similarly, Rupena is Trutiya. Rupena Rupabhyam Rupaihi. Rupena Rupam. So what is difficult here? Nothing, na? Grudram is that Samyuktakshara is there, otherwise it is like Vanam, Devam. Grudram, Grudrau, Grudrau, Grudran. Grudran, if you want, I will write that. Grudrau. Okay, later. Otherwise, Tena Tabhyam Taihi, Rupena Rupabhyam Rupaihi, everything is same. Sitam Site, Sitaha. Iti Tutiyamshaha. Chaturtamshaha Adholikita Padanam Prakrutim Pratyayam cha Nidisha. Now we point out what is the crude form, base form, and what is the suffix in this. One is given, Margamanaha. Marga iti dhatu. Shanach Pratyaya, suffix, and it is in Kartari. That is what? Margamanaha. Similarly, Vrud Vardha. Vrud, originally Vrud Vardha. Okay, Vardha you take. Vrud Vardha. Vrud changes to Vardha. Vrud. Vardate, Vardete. Shanach only. And Kartari. Kartari. Patyamanaha is given you Pata plus Ya. This is Shanach, but not in Kartari. This is Karmani. Why Karmani? Because of the Ya here. Ya is added. Na? Pata plus Ya. The infix, what we call linguistically, prefix what comes in the first, before. What comes in the middle is infix. What comes in the end is called suffix. All these three, prefix, infix, suffix, are put together are called affixes. Affix in linguistic, our language terminology. Affix means it can be a prefix. If I am right, I studied long back this. Affix means it can be a prefix, it can be an infix, it can be a suffix also. What we call upasarga is prefix, pratyaya is suffix, but there is no infixing. No word in infix in Sanskrit, I don't know, but that is it. So this is the pratyaya. Karmani. Next. Drush. Ya. Here Ya is there. Passive. Shanach. Karmani. Gamyamana. Gam plus ya, shanach karmani. So, there are 2 in kartari, 3 in karmani given. 2 in active sense, 3 in passive sense are given here. Margamanaha is active, Vardhamanaha is active, Patyamanaha, Drishyamanaha, Gamyamanaha are all passive verbs. So this also we will write just before. We will write what is there. It doesn't take much time. Panchamamshaha. Yatha slokam yojaya. That is very simple, you can do it. Kabandham Ghora Darshanam. Sitam Margamana. Searching Sita. Margamanaha. Tenaiva Shokena. Jatayusham Dagdhva. Having burnt. Rupena Vikrutam. This is straight. So I think simple. Kabandham is given. Sitam is Ga. Tenaiva Ka. Jatayusham Ka. And the last one Rupena right across. Vikrutam. So the answers are Ga, Ka, Gha, Nga. That's it. 6th. Drush dhatoho lit lrt lakarayoho rupani purayata. I think Drush came earlier. Tadarsha, did we show Srinivas? In our notes earlier. Did we come across this or not? I have told her. Srunu is there. Let me check. Kuru Dhatu we have made a note. Bru Dhatu we have made. Oh, this is not that. Anyway. Tadarsha is given, only one form in the third person. Tadarsha, Dadrushatuhu. Just now I told you, some Dadarsha, some Dadarshatuhu. Some is extra. Dadarsha tuhu, Dadarshuhu. Dadarshuhu. What only difficulty is in second and first person. Second person it becomes 2 forms are there. Dadarshitha. Dadarshitha. Dadrushatuhu. Third person dual, second person dual are same almost, excepting one is Alpa Prana and another is Mahaprana. What is given here? Dadrushatuhu is Dena, Prathama Purusha Dvivachana, Madhyama Purusha Dvivachana would be Dadrushatuhu, Mahaprana, stressed. Then Dadrushuhu is plural, the plural second person is Dadrusha, already given. So coming to the, here you can guess. Uttama Purusha. What can be here? Singular. Generally lit third person singular, first person singular are same. So Dadarsha only. Srinivas. Dadarsha only. So here Dadru Shiva. Go by the analogy here. He is giving you. Are you looking here?
Yes.
What is, read the plural, first person?
Shim.
Not Shim, Shima. Dadru Shima. So on the same analogy, come back. Vivachana. Dadru Shiva. Ma in plural. Vahamaha come in plural. Gachavaha, Gachamaha, Gachami. Isn't it? Me is singular, Ma is plural, Va is dual in Uttama Purusha. Right? So Dadru Shima is given. So come back. Dadru Shiva. That is it. We will write this also. Now come. No. Which one? In lit, Dadarsha only, same. Third person singular is always the same as first person singular in lit forms. What is there? Dadarshana. Same Dadarsha will be then Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. Dadarsha, Dadrushiva, Dadrushima. Remember, Dadarsha, Dadrushiva, Dadrushima. Prathama Purusha, Dadarsha, Dadrushatuhu, Dadrushuhu. It is given. Second person is only Dadarshitha, Dadasta. One more double form is there. That we did not take. Dadasta. Dadarshitha, Dadrushatuhu, Dadrusha. Okay, Ruti in future tense now. This is very simple. Drush.
Drakshyati.
If you know one, you can derive all the 8 forms. Drakshyati like bhavati bhavataha. Go ahead. Drakshyati, draksyataha, drakshyanti, drakshyasi, draksyataha, draksyatha, drakshyami, draksyavaha, draksyava. It is just like any lat lakara. If you remember, Srinivas, bhavishyati, how do you derive? Shataha, bhavishyanti, bhavishyasi, bhavishyataha, bhavishyatha, bhavishyami, bhavishyava, like that. Anyway, I will also write that. And what is the antimamsha? Oh. Patre, prutak patre, separate page. Tataha. You can make any sentence. Tataha thereafter. Tataha iti padasya avyayasya artaha thereafter Angla bhashayam. Tataha Ramaha atyantam dukkhitaha abhavat. Sandharvikam vakyam. Contextual sentence I am giving you. Tataha thereafter Ramaha Raghavaha atyantam dukkhitaha abhavat. Okay? Anything else? Can you make one more? Tataha. Okay, you go to the second. Dagdva. Dagdva. That is contextual. Rama Jatayusham Dagdva Bhayankaram Vikrutarupam Rakshasam Jatayush Kabandam Dadarsha. That is contextual. Otherwise, Hanuman Lankam Dagdva Sugrivam Prati Agachat. Hanuman Lankam Dagdva Sugrivam Prati Agachat. Margamanaha. This also you can use in the context of Hanuman only. Sitam Margamanaha Hanuman. Sitam Margamanaha Hanuman. Tam Ashokavane Dadarsha. Sitam Margamanaha Hanuman. Tam Ashokavane Dadarsha. Okay? We are using all contextual sentence only. What is the next word? Marga. Srinivas, Marga Lati. Present tense is was Margati, Margataha, Marganti. Bahujanaha, Bahavaha Janaha, Bahujanaha, Loke, Shantim Marganti. Shantim Marganti, Parantu Shantihi na labhyate. Sarve Janaha Shantim Marganti. Marga Anveshane. Marga means search. Loke Bahujanaha Shantim Sukham Marganti. Shantim Sukham cha Marganti. Right? And the last one, yeah?
Vikruta.
We can't make any sentence other than our context here, Vikruta. Agnina Dagdaha Purushaha va Striva. Agnina Dagdaha Purushaha Agnina Dagdha Stri Vikruta Vikruta Bhavati. Or Agnina Dagdaha Dagdasya Purushasya Rupam Vikrutam Bhavati. Agnina Dagdhayaha Striyaha Mahilayaha Rupam Vikrutam Bhavati. The beauty form of a man or a woman is deformed being burnt by fire. That way you can make.
Shurpanakha rupena vikruta.
Shurpanaka rupena vikruta asti. Shurpanaka rupena vikruta. That is also correct. Shurpanaka rupena vikruta. Rakshasaha sarvepi rakshasaha sarve api rakshasaha rupena vikrutaha bhavanti. That is also one. Sarve api rakshasaha rakshasas sarvepi rupena vikrutaha bhavanti. Any sentence. 3 sentences we have done. Now we go for writing. One you said Gudra in point 3, 34.3. 34.3 in that also again for that.
Yeah, it's
द्वितीय एकवचन गुरुद्रौ गुरुद्रौ. We don't write this word. Gurudrau, Gurudran. We rarely write, na? So, Gurudran. Next.
next to point.
Anyone in 4? 4, nothing. Nothing.
You wanted to write Vardhamana.
Which one?
For point 4. Entire point 4 you wanted to write. Not required actually.
Not required, that is what I am.
6th, point 6.
Point 5, nothing to write. 6?
6.
6 we have to write. What are given in 6? 2 are given.
Yeah, liti.
Third person, yeah, liti only. Ekavachana, Dvivachana is given.
Given.
Ekavachana, Dvivachana is given.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tadrushuhu. The Drushuhu. This is Bhagavachana.
Yeah, Madhyama Purusha. Bahuvachanam is given. Drusha.
Bhagavachanam is given.
Given.
The?
Drusha is given already.
Okay, okay. Oh, it is given. So I need to put a dash.
Ekavachana. First we write Ekavachana.
Ekavachana is not given. Dadarshita. There is a double form, but I don't want. Dadarshita. Then
Vimachana.
Tadru. What is it above? Tadrusha tuhu. The only change is this is tuhu Mahaprana. This is given. First person.
Yeah, first person also.
Dadarsha, same.
Dadarsha.
Now this and this will be same.
The Drushiva.
The Dru
Shiva.
Shiva.
The Drushiva is given.
That is. The Dru also we write like this in verse. But to be more clear, I will write the and take like this. This can also be written like this in writing. Like this. Dru. This is given.
Yes. And then Rati also is there. Riyaksha, Drakshya.
That is very simple Srinivas. Rati. In future tense, if you know one form, I will write all the 3.
Drakshyati is given.
Yeah, Drakshati. No, I'm just writing again. Drakshati, Drakshataha, and Drakshanti. unnecessary. Rakshanti. Understand? So second person, drakshyasi. You can go ahead like present tense. Drakshyathaha. What will come here? Drakshyatha. Just like present tense forms. Drakshyami. Drakshyavaha, drakshyamaha. Drakshavaha and drakshamaha. Drakshamaha. That's it. This is root. Yeah, one more. Just right side I can write it. Making sentences. What sentence you want to give? 7. Tataha. 7th. Tell me. 7th. Tataha. What I said? What sentence it was? Tataha shokagrastaha shokavishtaha, whatever, shokagrastaha Rama.
Sitam Vishnartham.
No, you can make any picture. Sitam Anvish. What is the word given there? Anvishan. Sitam Anvishan Asit. Okay, we end here. We don't want to make it a lengthy sentence. Tataha shokagrastaha Ramaha Sitam Anvishan Asit. He was searching for Sita. Margamana is there, but we have changed it. Anvishan. Anvishan is also given in the book. Anvishan. Where is it?
There's a Bhavartha.
Bhavartha.
Anvishan.
Anvishan, sorry. Mission, it looks like mission. Mission, sorry. Okay, 2, 8. That you can make any number of sentences. Contextual. Hanuman. Lankam. Lanka in simple you can write Lankam Dagdva. Sugrivam Prati. Pratyagachat. Pratyagachat Sandhi Pratyagachat. Sugrivam Pratyagachat. You also made some sentence. What is 9 now? Marga Dhatu is given.
These numbers are Ka, Kha, Ga.
Not this.
Not this. This is part 7 actually. Part 7.
Oh. 7. 7 Ka. This is Ka. This is
Kha.
no, nahi.
Ga.
This is ga. Okay. So here is this usage. What is here? Here is this is. Oh, ka, 7 ka. Otherwise it is become katata. Very dangerous writing is there. Ka is there. Okay, right. Now what is ga?
Marga.
Marga. So contextual. Sitam. I said something now, we'll take that big sentence. Remember? Marganti. What I said, remember? Loke bahujanaha. What I said? Marga only. Loke bahujanaha. किम मार्गन्ते मार्गन्ते सुखम शांतिम शांतिम च मार्गन्ति because he wants a sentence in Lati. Yes. So this is the Lati marganti. One more sentence. You want to make any other sentence? Any sentence you can make.
Last one, sir. Nya. Vikruta.
Loke bahujanaha sukham shantim cha. Shanti only I wrote. Shantim cha marganti. Shantim cha marganti. Last one.
Nya. Sarve api.
Sarve rakshasaha. Sarve rakshasaha vikrutaha bhavanti. You said some more? Oh, no.
Rupanakha.
Rupena vikruta. That is also. Shurpanaka rupena vikruta asti. Vikruta asit. So you can read once
Yeah.
and we'll pass over.
Yeah. Grudram, grudro, grudram.
Grudram, grudro, grudra. Yeah. 6.6. Dadarsha, dadrushatuhu, dadrushuhu. Dadarshitha, dadrushatuhu, dadrusha.
Dadrushi.
Dadrusha.
Yeah.
Dadarsha, dadrushiva, dadrushima. Then we went
Drakshyati.
drakshyati, drakshataha, drakshanti.
Drakshasi.
Drakshataha, drakshata.
Drakshami, drakshavaha, drakshamaha.
It's very simple as I told you. 7th one.
ततः शोकाग्रस्तः रामः सीताम् अन्विष्यन् आसीत् हनुमान् लङ्कां दग्ध्वा सुग्रीवं प्रत्यागच्छत् लोके बहुजनाः सुखं शान्तिं च मार्गन्ति
Marganti.
मार्गमाणं
No, Marga Shabda he wants in verbal form here, Lati. Oh, one more is there. Acha, we missed out Ga. Then what do you, Ga is written here?
Ga is written Marga.
Oh, Acha, you are confused, you are telling me. Marga Manha. Then, Acha, we have given this Ga. This is Ga. See, that is where we go do commit mistakes. This is Gha now. Ga has to be written here. We'll write out now. Now contextual only. We can give some political whatever. Sitam. This is Ga. Marga. Manaha. Ramaha. Kadambam. Rakshasam. Rakshasam apashyat. Okay? This sentence you take. Sitam margamanaha Ramaha Rakshasam apashyat. Simple sentence. Rama, while searching for Sita, saw Rakshasa. Dadarsha apashyat dushtavan. Whatever verb you want to add. So we are entering into sloka now, 56 and 7. Shad panchashattamaha slokaha. Purnataya dattah asti. Oh. Yes, Purna sloka asti. Tam nihatya.
Tam nihatya mahabahu
Bahur.
tadaha swargatascha saha sachasya kathayamasa shabarim dharmacharinim shramanam dharma nipunam abhigaccheti
Shramanam dharma nipunam abhigaccheti Raghava. Again read. Shramanam
dharma nipunam abhigaccheti Raghava.
abhigaccheti Raghava.
Abhigaccheti Raghava.
Okay. Tam nihatya mahabahuhu dadaha swahagataha swar cha saha sacha asya kathayamasa shabarim dharmacharinim shramanam dharma nipunam abhigaccha iti Raghava. Iti padachhedaha. Now there are two readings for this Shramanam word. Shramanim is also there. Shramanim. Chaturtam ashramam praptaha shramana nama te smrutaha. There is a saying, Chaturtam ashramam praptaha, having reached the fourth ashrama in life. Brahmacharya ashrama, Grihasthashrama, Vanaprastha-ashrama, Sannyasa-ashrama. So, Chaturtam ashramam praptaha shramana nama te smrutaha. Those people who have come to the fourth stage of ashram of life, that is sannyasa, they are called sannyasis. And they are also called shramana. Shramana they are called. So here is a ataha shramanaha nama samnyasinaha iti artaha. Shramanam is used here. This is for a sannyasini. She was a sannyasini. Dharma nipunam, and she was also expert in dharma. Okay, we'll see those qualities later. And there is another interpretation of Shramana Srinivas. Jitendriya, a lady who has total control over her senses. Jitendriya mokshopayuktachara nishtha. Jitendriya mokshopayukta achara nishtha. Who is situated in moksha marga. Stri Shramani iti uchyati. So there are two readings. Shramanim in Patantara, I've checked it. Shramanim is also their text. But here in this book, Shramanam is there. Ikaranta and Akaranta both are there. Both are there. So we'll go to Pada. And there is one interpretation is also there after, when we come to this Shramana word, I will tell you that. Tam,
Tad Shabda
tat shabda dakara. Nihatya.
Vyabandham again.
Oh yes, he should have given ni. Acha, I think he may be giving. Yeah, it is given. Next, what is nihatya? Next, Mahabahuhu.
Ukarata Pungiva Prathama Ekvachana.
Dadaha. Daha.
Daha Dhatu Kartari Lit Prathama Purusha Ekvachana.
Swara.
Avayam.
Gataha.
Ukarata Pungiva Prathama Ekvachana.
This is also a kind of Visheshana Shabda. Tanta gam plus ta, if you take as a krudanta, gam plus ta, gata, then it can be gataha, gatam, gata. Okay. Cha, avyayam, saha, again tad.
Dakara Samana Pungiva Prathama.
Asya, idam Shabda, makaranta.
Tad Samana Pungiva Prathama Ekvachana.
Kathayamasa. Katha iti dhatuhu, niche, that is causal,
Kartari
active voice. Lit, perfect tense, prathama purusha ekavachana. So that is it, kathayamasa. Shabarim,
Ikara Pungiva Vidya Ekvachana.
dharmacharinim, ikarant,
Ikara Vidya Ekvachana. Samasta Padam.
samastam padam. Yes, shramanam.
Akara Strilinga Vidya Ekvachana.
Okay. Now again, shramana means Bauddha sannyasinam shramana iti nama vartati. They say Bauddha sannyasis also are called shramana. So some people say by this word Ramayanam Buddhat Anantaram iti kechit vadanti. So some people say that Ramayana was composed after Lord Buddha came in, because Shramana word is used for Buddhists. Bauddha sannyasinam shramana iti namadayam yataha vartate yataha atra shramana Shabda Prayogat Ramayanam Buddhat Paschat Anantarakale Likitamiti Kesham Chit Matam. So some people say Ramayana was written after Lord Buddha, because the word Shramana is used to Buddhistic sannyasis. But that is disputed. Nastikana, but there is another interpretation, Srinivas. Nastikanam Bauddha iti nama prachina kale eva asit. Formerly, Nastika people, atheists were also called Bauddha. And therefore, that opinion does not stand. Ataha uparivadaha na yuktaha iti anyesham samadhanam vartati. So what people say that Ramayana is written after Buddha does not hold good, because atheists were also given the name as Shramana. They were also called Shramana. No, atheists were also called Bauddha. Bauddha iti nastikanam nama asit. Prachina kale, in ancient time, the Nastikas, atheists were called Bauddha. So if Buddhists have Shramana word, that need not be after Buddha. Ramayana, so there is a controversy like that. Am I clear? Now, Pada Parichayam, we'll complete it. Yeah, Nipunam, Dharma Nipunam, Akara. Abhigacha, Abhi Upasarga. Gam. Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Iti Avyayam. Raghava. Sambodhana Prathama Ekavachana. Atra vayam sthapayami. So you can stop here. Shubham Bhuyat.